This video is for beginners who start learning programming in English. We will use architectural terminology and learn so that it is easy to imagine the completed form. This time, I would like to create a design that places the entrance on the first line, the living room and kitchen on the second line, and the garden on the third line. Let's get started. First, I specified the entrance of the header element with a height of 50 pixels. Next, living and kitchen are placed in the second row, so they are surrounded by a div element with an ID attribute of wrapper with a height of 200 pixels. Leave the living and kitchen heights unspecified. Also, set the width of the living to 60%, the width of the kitchen to 30%, and colored the background color. Finally, I placed a garden in the footer element with a height of 50 pixels. If you check the preview so far, the living and kitchen enclosed by the wrapper are arranged vertically using one line each. The reason is that div and aside elements are set to block level elements by default, display block. Block level elements are set to take up one line, so they ended up on two lines. This time, I would like the living and the kitchen to line up in two rows. The solution is to apply display flex to the parent element's wrapper. By applying the flexbox model, a two-column layout using the height specified by the wrapper can be realized. Also, apply justify content center to center the living and kitchen. Here's a preview. Finally, a summary. Since the div element and aside element are set as block level elements, one line is used for each element. To achieve a two-column layout for a block level element, apply display flex to the parent element. That's all for now. Thank you for watching until the end.